Well, everybody, welcome back for another update on our project. So you can tell behind me there's something wrong. Ooh. All right, well, let's see what happened. Well, what happened was, I'm just messing with you. There she is, out of the garage. She's looking pretty sweet. So we'll do a little walk around here. It ain't perfect, but you know what? I really don't care because it just looks really cool. I can even tell that the paint is a different color on some of the panels. But you know, oh well, until we get it professionally painted, that's the way she's gonna look. So yeah, she's a little hillbilly. She's a little ghetto, but that's okay. She's, you know, out of the garage in the sunshine. She's running. She's driving. So let's see some video of her driving around. So things aren't perfect. We still got a real problem here. We got an interference issue, so I got to figure that one out. One of the turbo returns is leaking some oil, so I think it's just a bad fitting. So I'm gonna have to go in there and pull that out and put a new fitting and gasket in there. Hopefully that'll take care of that. I had a little bit of a fuel leak. One of the fuel rails was leaking, so I fixed that. Sprayed fuel everywhere for a little bit, but that's done. And then we got all that new PMU in there with the electronics. So this is really going to simplify our electrical wiring. So I'm basically rewiring the car. But the beauty is that most of the devices of the car are going to come into this connector right here, and then will be controlled by this unit right here. It's also got LED lights down here that will show you their status, whether they're working, they're not working, or they're in a fault state, which means that the current's been cut because of a over voltage or over current. So go ahead and give me some comments on what you think. But hopefully we'll be able to get this up and wired. I'm going to do one system at a time. Test it, make sure it works, starting with the engine, ECU, and brake lights, which is absolutely fantastic. So it's working great. You saw everything running and driving. Well, thanks again, guys, for watching. I always love it when I can take it out and drive it around, which has been 3 times now. So that's always really fun for me, even though parts may be falling off the car and you have, you know, obviously we have a interference issue with the tire. I wanted to lower it, but the release valve for the airlift system is not working for some reason. It was working yesterday, so I got to tickle that out. But anyway, big thing when you can get it down the road and nothing rattles and falls completely apart. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do. As always, keep the comments coming. Let me know what you guys think about all of this, and we'll see you next time.